Hello and welcome to Open House. I'm Craig Kowatch, technology teacher here at Brecksville Broadview Heights. Let me introduce myself a little bit. Currently, I have my master's in education. I got my bachelor from Kent State University in technology education. This is my 25th year teaching here at Brecksville Broadview Heights City Schools. I started out at the middle school for 3 years and have been here for 22. I have taught classes in woodworking, robotics, engineering CAD, Fab Lab and design, basic computer apps. My wife and I met in college, and we have been married 24 years. We have 3 children, and love teaching here at Brecksville Broadview Heights. Let me tell you a little bit about your son and daughter's class, what you can expect. In robotics class, you will find that we teach a little more than just what a robot is. You know, they do learn parts of a robot. They do learn, how to program a robot. They will build a robot. Along with all that, we will also go over, how does robotics affect us in the world today? How does the military use robotics? How is it used in education? How is it used in the hospitals? Robotics has become such a part of this world that, it's everywhere. And that's one thing that we want these kids to understand is how robotics has affected them and how it will affect them in the future. In the robotics class, we will use Google Classroom to be the hub for all of their information. In Google Classroom, all the documents that pertain to the class will be there, such as a syllabus. There's also a link to all of our Zoom meetings. So if they ever need, can't find anything, you can always tell them, go to their Google Classroom. All tests for robotics will be done on Edulastic, and all grades will be done in Progress Book. I will keep Progress Book up to date as much as possible, as sometimes students turn things in late. Sometimes, it may be a couple days before we get in there, but I am generally up to date pretty quick. The best way to communicate with me is on the portal page by email. If you try to reach me by phone, I am in 3 different classrooms, and sometimes it's very difficult for me to find, to get a hold of me in the right classroom. So email is the best way to get to me. Thank you. I look forward to a good year.